to go through and work through these problems so that if you have any questions, you can see what it is that you needed to fix. I wanted to make sure you had all the problems worked out, so we're going to go through and do that now. So let's go ahead and get started. Again, fast forwards to the ones you don't need. Make sure that you get all your questions answered. We'll go through and work this out. So getting started, this is the first problem that needs to be done by substitution. So this is already says x equals. When it's already solved, you just put a box around it. You plug it in where the x is in this problem. So you're going to take that and replace the x with the 2y, and then write the rest of the equation. Plus y equals 3. Some people like to keep parentheses around it, but you do not have to if there's nothing in front of it. From there, 2y plus y would give you 3y equals 3, which when you divide both sides by 3, means that you end up with y equals 1. Take that 1, plug it back in the box. That's what we always do with substitution. That's going to make it x equals 2 times 1, which means x equals 2. Again, the ordered pair comes from you putting a ordered pair, parentheses, a comma. The x goes in the first spot, so it'd be 2. The y goes in the second spot, that would be 1. For the second problem, it is already solved again. It is the x again on this one, second equation. So you put a box around it, you plug it back into the x in this problem. That would be 3, and then parentheses, 3y minus 2 plus 2y equals 16. We are replacing the x in this equation with whatever's in the box. To solve for y, you would distribute that, a little bit. You would distribute that across. That would make that 9y minus 6 plus 2y equals 16. You've got to combine your like terms. The 9y and the 2y go together to give you 11y minus 6 equals 16. Add 6 to both sides. That puts you at 11y equals 22. Divide by 11, and y equals 2. Again, don't forget, you're doing your ordered pair. 2 is the y, so it goes in the second spot. You plug it back into the box, so it's going to be x equals 3 times 2 minus 2, which means x equals 6 minus 2, which means x equals 4. Because it's the x, it goes in the first spot in your ordered pair, so your ordered pair is the ordered pair 4, 2. That is where the point would cross the line. Those two lines would cross. Those two graphs, you graph these, would cross at this point. It's the point of intersection. It's the solution to that problem. Okay, substitution again, last one, by substitution required. Guys, it's y equals this time. It happens to be in the first equation. It's already set up. We're going to plug it into the y in the other problem. So x plus 2 times 5x minus 3 equals 27. We distribute the 2 across. That makes it x plus 10x minus 6 equals 27. You're going to combine your like terms. Your like terms are going to be 11x minus 6 equals 27. You're going to add 6. That's going to make it 11x is equal to 33. Divide both sides by 11, and x equals 3. Remember, this is your x, so it goes in your ordered pair at the first spot. The second spot, we got to plug back into the box to find out the second one. So it's going to be y equals 5 times 3 minus 3, which is y equals, 15 minus 3, which means y equals 12. There you go. So those are the 3 problems that were required to be done by substitution. The next video will be for the ones that are required to be done by elimination.